everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I'm filming with my new mobile phone because it's actually much clearer than this video camera that I've been using, which is from Canon. I love this one because it gets quite a lot of the picture into the camera, but it's not as clear anymore. It's a few years old and I wanted to try to see if my new phone actually works and if it looks good. So please tell me in the comments below if you like this, if it's clear enough for you. It looks like it's really clear on my screen, so hopefully it works fine. But today I'm here to share with you a lovely package that I received from my sweet friend Sybil here on YouTube. I mean, Sybil, you have spoilt me rotten. You just, oh my word, I can't believe you've actually given me the opportunity to get so many lovely scrapbooking products just because I helped you out with your blog, which, I mean, it's something I've always enjoyed doing, so I've really been spoiled here. A few weeks ago, Sybil, she asked me if I could help her out just designing some photos and stuff for her new blog, and I set up her new blog, which I've always enjoyed doing. And then when I was finished, she was like, oh, I really want to send you a gift. And I was like, oh no, you don't need to do that. I mean, like, I just did this for fun. And she was like, no, I definitely want to give you a gift. So she sent me a gift card and she gave me the opportunity to buy whatever I wanted from a scrapbooking store. And I'm like, wow, this is like dream come true. So thank you, Sybil, for the gift card. And this is what I bought. And Sybil hasn't seen what I bought either. So I guess she's gonna be sitting here watching this with excitement like I am. And it was a few weeks ago I put this order in and it just arrived. So I don't really know all of the paper pads and I don't remember all of them. So it's gonna be fun sharing them with you. So the store that I bought my scrapbooking products from is called Craftelier. And I had never ordered from Craftelier before, but here in the UK they have like the best assortment when it comes to paper pads. And I knew that I wanted to get some new paper pads because recently I've been buying a lot of stamps and like paints and stuff like that, and I just really wanted to buy a lot of paper pads. So the first collection I got is called Blooming Bill, and this is just gorgeous. I mean, look at the colors, look at the kind of the textures of the paper. It's not really the texture, but it looks like it's a texture with kind of the wood, and it's just beautiful. And then if I get the first page of the cutouts looks like this, and look at that. I mean, that wreath is beautiful. You've got the lantern, you've got the little bird's nest, the flowers, and the bike, and it's just gorgeous. I can't wait to start cutting out these beautiful die cuts. And then if you want to check out this paper collection as a whole, you should check out Sybil's video when she shares all of the papers. So thank you, Sybil, for allowing me to buy some Minte papers. The next collection I was able to get my hands on is from Fabrica Decoro. And Fabrica Decoro is a Russian paper company, I believe. It looks like that's Russian. I'm not sure. It might be Polish as well. Oh no, I'm totally wrong. It's from Ukraine, and this is called Botany Spring, and it's beautiful. Look at that, just a beautiful collection. Thank you, Sybil. And then we've got the Fabrica Decoro Summer Mood, And this is proper summer papers. I love the yellow, the green, the red and the purple, and then the blue as well. Oh, it's just beautiful. And the cutout sheet is gorgeous. Look at all of these green leaves and the forest dove. Look at that forest dove, it's beautiful. And you've got the little rabbit, and you've got another little rabbit there, and you've got some hydrangeas, you've got some poppies. Oh, it's just beautiful, just gorgeous. Just a gorgeous collection. And the papers look like this. Just fabulous. Thank you, Sybil. And then we've got the Paprika collection. I have never heard about this. A company called Photoplay. It's apparently an American company, and they've got a lot of different collections, which sort of reminds me of Echo Park in a way, but really, really fun and funky. And this is the Paprika collection, and it's got these little cute, this is a llama, and you've got the camel, and it's just adorable, and you get a sticker sheet on the back, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which says everything from lovely to good vibes only to you're loved, you're awesome, blessed, I love you lots, shine. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love the colours. They are so many, very vibrant and fun. I love creating cards with these kind of colours. Just beautiful. And then, of course, when I saw this in the store, I was like, I need to have it. I need to have that collection. This is the I Love Crafting by Echo Park. And it's just beautiful. I mean, look at the papers. I will be able to create any kind of crafting card that you could think about, really, to some of my crafty friends. Just beautiful. And on the back you get a sticker sheet, a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and it's just got these cute little sentiments like crafting is my jam. Some glasses. I definitely need my glasses when I'm crafting. My word, I'm half blind. Or like Jonathan says, blind bat. Yeah. Need my glasses, really. The next collection that Sybil gave to me is from Fabrica Decoro, and it's the Believe in Miracle. It's just really, really lovely. I mean, look at that. Just the pinks, the blues, the yellows. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Very fun and girly and princessy and just, I mean, lovely. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And every Fabrica Decoro collection has these cutout stuff that is with the collection, so I was sent that as well. And these are both in English and in, so they're like little yeah, little cutouts, but they're in English and in Russian. So this is like the Russian side, I believe. And then they've also got the English, which is really fun. So just, if I've got a Russian friend and I want to send a Russian card, I can do that. And then the last collection, but definitely not least, is from Minte, and it's the Sweetest Christmas collection. And I just love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's just gorgeous, very Christmassy, very fun, and very kind of minty in a way. Just very minty. I love that little Christmas tree and the cookies. And I've seen a lot, this is an old collection from them, but I've seen a lot of their scrapbooking design team members that last Christmas actually made a lot of cards and many albums with this, and it's just beautiful, just gorgeous, and I really love it. So that is my last collection that Sybil gave me. But I mean, well, look at this, all of these collections I was given by her. She's crazy, right? Oh, she's just given me so much joy, and especially yesterday when my 12-year-old Rottweiler family dog sadly needed to be put down yesterday. So it was a day of sorrow and just really upsetting. The whole family was just mourning him because he was such a lovely dog, just the kindest. So when I received the package, it was just like a package of joy sent from Sybil, a package of love. And I just thank you so much, Sybil, that you gave me this opportunity and this gift card. It was so sweet of you. It really made my day yesterday when I was really upset about my puppy little dog, my first dog. Thank you so much for your love, and please check out Sybil's blog, her Instagram and her YouTube channel. And then next up, this is going to be a really long video, is all of the stamps that I bought from Lily of the Valley. And these are quite difficult to actually show on camera, so I'm just literally gonna show them like this. But Lily of the Valley, they are no longer producing their stamps. So I found this lady online on eBay, and she was selling loads of their stamps, and I bought them. And now I've got, I probably have about 40 of Lily of the Valley stamps. And when I get my distress ink colors, I will start painting them with my distress ink and trying that out, because I love the look. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, you might be able to get some Lily of the Valley stamps still. I know that Etsy sells a few, but majority of the time you probably have your best luck on eBay, because they don't really sell Lily of the Valley anymore. And I wanted to snap up as many as possible before it gets almost impossible to get your hands on any stamps, because that happens obviously when companies stop producing their stamps. People like me, collectors, buy a lot of stamps and keep them keep them and plays with them, and just paints them, and just have a lot of fun with the stamps. So that's quite sad actually that they stopped producing. But that was my video for today. I hope that you have enjoyed it and you've got to see some lovely collections. And thank you so much, Sybil, for all your love and for giving me this gift card and all of these products. You're just the cutest, the loveliest. And see you in my next video. Bye!